What's up, y'all? It's Chosen One Rising, back with another video. Namaste, 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 family. You will leave with more love, guidance, and balance in your life. If you feel like that, what I'm saying resonates with your soul, and I'm speaking my truth, and you like, you know what I mean? You support me, man. Go ahead and click that link in the bio. It's a Patreon link, just to donate to the cause and stuff like that. And I really appreciate it if you would do it. I just started it. You know what I mean? I've been advised to do it, and I'm just trying it out. You know what I mean? So just it don't matter what it is, just advise. You know what I mean? Just send what you got, or really just donate what you have. I just want to talk to you about a quick topic, and it's about blacks and whites are coming together. And I hate to differentiate between the two because demographics were man-made. Our creator never made demographics. Like blacks, he never said you were black or you're white. You're an Indian, you're um Mexican or something like that. Like our creator never did that. Man-made, demographics, races, all that shit is man-made. So with that being said, you have to take this in consideration. Like the news job, like I told y'all, the news job is not to tell you the truth. Their job is to control your perception and change how you view things, whether good or bad. And their job, what they are doing right now, because they know that people are waking up. It's a conscious shift going on still. It's just, you can't stop it. It's you're going viral. You know what I'm saying? You can't stop it. The conscious shift is going on. A lot of people are waking up. So with that being said, all races are coming together. Like in this spiritual thing, we don't differentiate by races at all. We just anybody and everybody's accepted. We accept people who don't even believe in what we believe in. It's like it is what it is. Like we don't judge anybody because we're not perfect ourselves, and you know what I mean. We don't do all that extra stuff. We don't judge people. But back to what I was talking about, blacks and whites. I'm gonna just put it like this: blacks and whites are coming together, right? They see that news is emphasizing blacks versus white crimes now. I'm not saying some of them may be fake, some of them may be real. You never know. But when it's enough people, they know people are gonna have a big reaction to everything. You're just saying there's some of this shit is just being played into their game. You see what I'm saying? Some of this shit is being just played in their game. And with that being said, people are starting to realize that they are trying to put us against each other, because if blacks and whites were to come together like we were born as one race before we were differentiated, and assign names and assign social securities and assign names, we were all one race. We were together. So if we were to come together as a unity, we would not be taking shit from nobody. You know, it's over. Once we become a unity, it's over. Once people put their pride to the side, it's over. Once people realize that you've been lied to about your history, it's over. Because it's a conscious shift going on, bro. The government, it's not they got to wear as in when you wake up, you have everybody makes you seem like you're crazy. That's how it's set up. It's set up for you to feel like, oh, I'm crazy. Like people tell you like, yeah, you tripping, or what the fuck you talking about, or what are you even getting this information from? Just saying certain things, like I know, I can't even tell you how I know it because I don't know why I know it. I just know it, and it resonates with the truth. Where it resonates with my soul, I tell somebody else it. Like when I start explaining stuff to people, they start to really feel it really resonate with their soul. So with that being said, people are gonna always have different perceptions. People are always gonna it's like there is gonna be some people that just stubborn and just gonna hate another race. They're gonna always go against another race. You can't change people like that. All you can do is change yourself. Like that's what I'm saying, and to be able to better deal with difficult people. So with that being said, it's still a constant shift going on, but people, blacks and whites, are gonna forever. We are rebuilding these bridges. Okay, we are rebuilding these bridges between blacks and whites. Like I said, I don't like to call it like that because we all are one race, but in these terms, blacks and whites, we are building our bridges back because they're trying to burn them. They're burned. They already burned them. They burnt a lot of them from when they told you these fake histories and all this shit that happened. Like at the end of the day, bro, why are you hating somebody for something that you won't even dare to even experience? You gonna hate them because their ancestors did this, or you so called heard their ancestors did this. Oh, you heard that black people. Black people are viewed as ignorant, are like ignorant, and all types of shit. Think about it. You ever seen a white person and then they just act weird around you? It's because they've been programmed to think that black people are like weird, ghetto, and crazy, and do all types of stuff. White people can't make potato salad, or can't make, or black people eat fried chicken all the time, or white people, you know what I mean, don't season anything. Like you see how you put these like you put these titles on people, put these characteristics on people. People feel like they have to become those characteristics. You don't have to become those characteristics. Be yourself. You don't have to just hate white people. That's never the thing. You don't never had to just hate black people. That's never the thing. You don't never have to hate another race. You don't have to, because at the end of the day, it's all love. With me, it's all love. I don't care what race you are. I will accept you for whoever you are. You see what I'm saying? It's just a good thing. Y'all gotta realize it's a good thing going on. The news job, like I said, is not to tell you the truth. It's to control your perception. With that being said, the news will forever be doing this shit. They've been doing this for years. This plays in that New World Order stuff. They're playing at least 100 years ahead. They know they pulling up their last cards, but they have almost a solution for everything. And it's gonna get to a point when they realize that we know too much and we not taking shit else. They're gonna try to do some crazy shit. They're just gonna try to do some crazy shit, bro. Once they're gonna try to take our rights away. Like I told you, HR 6666. They are trying to take our rights away. They want to have the right to come into your home and take you and take whoever they think may be sick. That's why some people, even when you go through shit, you hurt or some shit, anything happens to you, you don't want to go to no jail or no hospital because they can fuck around and say you got corona, bro. They can fuck around and say you got corona. Even though corona, COVID-19, I strongly believe, and I have good evidence behind it, that it's because it's 5G radiation. You feel flu-like symptoms, is because the 5G radiation. You feel like your throat is getting sore, you feel like you're getting lightheaded, because it's radiation. Try turning your phone off. If you don't believe me, try turning your phone off when you feel like that. I bet you realize it's that phone or it's that internet box that you sit next to. You see what I'm saying? But back to the main topic. You have to realize people, they are like, so it's getting to a point, black people are getting tired of how the police are treating them. Right? They got to where black people are just feel like they have to say fuck 12 or don't have to like the police. It's like it really isn't all police. I understand some people have really been through bad experiences with police officers, but me, honestly, I don't have anything towards the police. When I've been in encounters with the police, but you just corroborate, bro. Just corroborate, because anything can happen at any time. So you just have to corroborate. Just please corroborate, y'all, because anything can happen. They can do anything they want. It's like when you got that badge on, you can do anything you want, and we not taking it. Black people aren't taking that so well. They starting to stand up for themselves. You hurting them, but this plays into their plan. They want y'all to go fucking bananas. They want y'all to go crazy. They got every single person. They got a whole bunch of people. They got celebrities emphasizing. These celebrities be paid to emphasize these things. They be paid to emphasize, some of these celebrities don't give a fuck at all about blacks or whites. They don't care about none of this shit. You give them a check, they gonna post that shit and act like they care, bro. I can see right through this shit. They are emphasizing, some of these people are big puppets in this game. They are emphasizing these topics And they got posting on their social media like they care. Oh, we tired of this, or we tired of that. Some of them are real about that, but some of them are just doing it just for money. And you gotta realize that this is playing into their plan, bro. This is another distraction. It's way, like I said, it's way bigger than a race game. Like I told you, the world is an energy game, and then a money game, and then a race game. It's way bigger though. Like I said, it's way bigger than a race game. It's way bigger than that. You have to realize that you should not judge nobody off. You should not just gain. Think about it. What's the reason you think white people are a certain way? There are certain people that are white that act certain ways, and certain people that are white that act different ways. There are certain people that are white that act so-called black. There are certain people that you call a black person acting proper. Why you acting white for? You see what kind of characteristic that it is on a person? Like, why you be like, why you acting white for, or something like that? Or you call a white boy that's trying to that's doing like a so-called black things. He trying to act black, or he want to be black. Why do we have these characteristics on each other? You know, to realize it is a big thing. It is okay. It is. I'm not saying it's not serious that what's happening to quote unquote black people. But at the same time, you have to realize the big picture. It's way bigger than the race game. It's another distraction. Distractions are coming from everywhere at this point. They're pulling out their last cards. They are trying to distract the fuck out you. Stay woke, stay aware. Continue to go within and find out who you truly are. Once you find out who you truly are, the world will reveal all its truths and lies to you. Freely. You will see right through it. With that being said, we are all one race. We are one race. There is no differentiating between us, y'all. Our creator didn't make you black or white, or just say you black or white. You may be a darker skin color, but we are the same thing. Everything is interconnected. So what you need to do is learn how to love other people. Learn how to love other people because, different, because, you don't, a race is just a title. You see what I'm saying? A race is a title. With that being said, you don't have to let a race define who you are. People would think you, like when you go in a store, like I go in a store, people look at me like sometimes they think I'm on a steal, but that's just another stereotype. We have been assigned these stereotypes. We have been assigned these characteristics. You don't have to be those characteristics. Be your own self. You're not acting white because you're acting proper, or you know how to act, or you just corroborate. You see what I'm saying? Just when you walk around, like, stuff is crazy happening. Crazy things are happening. Stuff will continue to go viral. They want y'all to hate each other. They want y'all to kill each other off. They're gonna make sure it's I mean, just like I said, I don't like to put this in like race form because I don't like really believe in that, but it gets to a point. It's blacks on blacks, blacks versus blacks, and blacks versus whites. That's what they want. They want the blacks to kill each other off, and then they want blacks versus whites. They want that to be a burned bridge between each other, and they want y'all to be fighting while they making a fucking master plan to fucking up these chips in your motherfucking skin, turn your ass to a fucking cyborg, let you be a fucking robot. They want you to be programmed. What's the point of having a brain if you're not gonna use it? What's the point of having a brain if you're not going to use it? You see what I'm saying? Use your brain. Think. Put your fucking ego to the side and think. Why are we putting in different world? Do you think our creator would want us to be not liking each other or hating each other because of our race? We all have been created by the creator. But do you think we were put here to be going against each other and wanting to hurt one another? Not liking each other because of a race, demographics which were man-made to keep you separate from ever coming together. But whites and blacks are starting to see that this is really a true problem. It's a true problem. You know what I mean? You know, rest in peace those individuals that those, you know, crazy crimes happen to, but they don't give a fuck, bro. They don't give a fuck. So you need to get this out your mind. It's way bigger than a race game. They don't give a fuck about y'all killing each other. Oh, that's what the fuck they want. But that's a distraction for another distraction to come. Question everything you know. Realize that it's way bigger. Everything is way bigger. Whatever you thinking, think bigger. Whatever you thinking right now, think bigger. Because this is bigger than it, bro. They killing each other off. They want y'all to kill each other off, bro. They want y'all to kill each other off, bro. It's blacks versus blacks versus white. If you feel like that what I'm saying resonates with your soul and I'm speaking my truth and you like, you know what I mean, you support me, man, go ahead and click that link in the bio. It's a Patreon link, you know, just to donate to the cause and stuff like that. And I really appreciate it if you would do it. I just started it. You know what I mean? I've been advised to do it, and I'm just trying it out. You know what I mean? So just it don't matter what it is. Just advise. You know what I mean? Just send what you got, or really just donate what you have. We're building a unity now, y'all. I need to come together, and so we can really get this shit going. Cause they're gonna try to take away our rights, bro. Know your rights. Be safe, man. Make smart decisions, man. I love y'all. It's Chosen One Rising signing out.